I mean, this has made me, what, 100 times? 100x? So you can imagine that dozens of coins get launched all the time. And DM called it that early on. So I got on it when it was on average between 20 and 40 cents, 30 cents. And today I looked at it, it's 3.75. So I've done very well with it. What I know is that these guys are out to educate the masses about a system that is really not going anywhere. So there's a lot of support right away. I feel like my hand is held every step of the way.
So to be honest, okay, we do not want just you to take our word for it. We actually have one of our members here who's been using Tyler's picks to find incredible opportunities. She found what we believe could be the next Solana, and she's up significantly, and she's here live to share her experience with you.
And right before, just to add a little bit of color to what you're seeing on your screen, this is a complete history of Tyler's pick. I mean, this is a screenshot of the complete history. He has done over 400 picks, right? An 86% rate. This is just a sample. So let's get back to our guest. She is not a crypto expert who's been doing this for years. She's not a Wall Street trader. She's someone who was probably in the exact same position you are in right now. But she took action. She followed the system. And what happened next is going to blow your mind. Now, right before Anastasia takes the stage, we want to extend the opportunity to book a call with someone from our team. So you'll be able to get all the information you need to get started on that call and potentially apply to work with our team here at Decentralized Masters. All right, Anastasia, are you here? While we're enabling your video, can you just quickly maybe introduce yourself and tell everyone who you are and also what you were doing before working with us at Decentralized Masters? I mean, not working with us, but enrolling in our mastermind.
Yeah, well, I'm still working as that. It's just a lot less. Hi, everyone. My name is Anastasia. I currently live in New York. I'm a translator. I've done pretty well in this career, over 20 years. But artificial intelligence has changed the industry quite a bit. I found myself with more time. But, you know, since COVID, the world developments have looked kind of suspicious to me. You know, tighter, sometimes unreasonable banking regulations. I have to explain why I'm withdrawing more than $500. It's ridiculous. Our growing debt in the US, bank collapses. We've all seen that. So basically, the general state of the world has made me think about how we can protect ourselves. And I've been brewing over it, thinking about it for a number of months, really. So I was pretty primed when I saw DM's ad on Instagram, and it took me to see it twice before I got on that webinar. And then, you know, after a bit of hesitation, I joined, and this was a pivotal decision, I have to say.
So, yeah, you probably saw his face with a little bit more hair.
I did.
I mentioned earlier that you've had success with some cryptos. Actually, you made a substantial profit, but I want people to understand your journey because it's going to be inspiring for them. So when you first joined DM, where were you at with crypto and what it's been like to actually implement the things we cover?
Well, it's a bit of a story because I have been aware of crypto since 2016. I met a guy at the bar who was building Bitcoin ATMs all over Europe, and this was in Barcelona. And he had this website in Spanish, and I'm like, dude, we need to translate into English, Greek, French, everything. So he hired me. I did that, and he paid me normal money, but for everyone he was working with, he would give everyone a couple of cents of crypto every week. He helped me set up my wallet. It was like a mycelium wallet that probably doesn't exist anymore. Anyway, I was aware of it. Good guy. I owe him. Yeah, I owe him a lot. Anyway, I looked into that wallet every once in a while. And it was growing, and that I was like, okay, well, I need to get into this crypto. I need to understand this crypto situation. I need to do a deep dive, but who has the time? You know, it's like we all don't want to get into something that we're not familiar with. So it's a deep dive and you never have time for it. So when I finally came across DM, I was like, this is it. And I have more time since I have less translation work. So I have time to dedicate to it. So I joined. It was just a confluence of things. And it seemed very, very wild in the beginning because I would hear testimonials that people would be like, oh, well, I was where you are a couple of months ago. If I can do it, you can do it. And I'm like, it seems very difficult to know that when you just start setting up the hardware and stuff, the terminology, but you have to have a bit of patience just at the beginning and just watch the videos. Doc explains everything. I mean, he makes very complicated concepts very simple, so you get it. He gives you a background of against the world events. You know, he gives just basic economics. If you never dealt with economics like me, I'm a translator. I speak 7 languages. I am not technical. I'm not economical. You know, I understand charts somewhat, but not really, you know? So after a couple of weeks, it started making a lot of sense. And there's a logic to it that's the same across all blockchains, pretty much across all Ps. It's just there's only so many ways it can go, so you start getting it. It doesn't become easy, but it's simple, you know. And another thing that is very helpful right at the beginning, after you started setting up these things, if you stumble, you get on a phone call. There are phone calls every day, and the mentors, they'll walk you through it for whatever you are having trouble setting up, step by step, live. If you missed the call, you watch the recording. If you didn't figure it out the first time, which is impossible, you get on the next call. So there's a lot of support right away. You don't have to become like a vet. We all started, I think there's a lot of people who are retired, you know, who have the time now, you know, and they're maybe a little bit ahead than people who have a job. But if you dedicate a couple hours a week to this thing, you can learn it, and you learn it pretty fast.
All right, so I think it will be interesting for people now, thank you for sharing, to maybe learn a little bit more about your experience, because you're a pretty successful member, as you've made like over 6 figures in a short amount of time. So what do you think are the things you did well that are responsible for your success?
Well, apart from getting on calls when I had questions, I try to get on calls or listen to recordings when I don't have questions, because there isn't a call where I don't learn something new from a mentor or from a community member. That's number one. I mean, one thing that I got very good results with is Sui. This is a prime example, and we talked about it already.
Sui,
so it was,
right?
yes, it was mentioned by several mentors. I don't remember who exactly, but they said, oh, well, this one is going places. And I first bought some in March 2024, and the coin was launched in May 2023. So this is when the coin was launched on native markets. I mean, today on Coinbase, it is still a view-only market for me in New York, because New York has a lot of limitations, you know. But by the way, VPNs, and there's like, you will get all the information you need to trade, you know, outside of limitations. It's not illegal, but you can do it. It becomes technically possible. So you can imagine that dozens of coins get launched all the time, and DM called it that early on. So I got on it when it was on average between 20 and 40 cents, 30 cents, and today I looked at it, it's $3.75. So I've done very well with it, right? So why don't we talk about the mistakes right away? I didn't take profits in January. This is a mistake I'm never repeating again. I am now phasing out of Sui through liquidity pools. So I will be taking profit next time it goes like parabolic. But even when I didn't take profits, I've done amazing. I mean, this has made me, what, 100 times? 100x? So
you made the same mistake as I made. In my
taking
early
profits.
I lost it all.
I mean,
And
I think
so you didn't attend that call when we told you guys in December to take profits?
I must have not attended it because it was Christmas and I was flying to Europe for family.
Yeah, in December
I told you watch the recordings. We told you.
I know. But this is exactly what I'm saying. Get on calls. The support is there. It's up to you to find the time, and sometimes it takes only really a couple hours a week. It takes 1 hour a week.
What are some pieces of advice you would give to someone who, you know, is just starting? Because we have some members who just started with us, I saw in the comments, or some who might join after this webinar. You know, they're willing to build their legacy. We mentioned the things, right, about crypto. They had their doubts and now they're seeing this. And what do you think you would tell them? An advice.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Do learn as much as you can with the time that you have. Have patience and do your own research. Oh, one more thing. Don't act on WhatsApp or Telegram channel suggestions. I had been following a Telegram channel for a few months, and they were talking about a certain coin, and I'm like, oh my God, I must get into it. It was a honeypot. My mentor, AJ, he was like, hey, no, wait and see how it goes. He gave me a few signs. He told me what to look out for, but I didn't have the patience. So there's a lot of information online, and some of it may be legit. I don't know all of it. But there's a lot more scams. There's a lot more marketing. Somebody's trying to push their own coin. It can be anything. What I know is that these guys are out to educate the masses about a system that is really not going anywhere. I mean, if you take about state Bitcoin reserves, country Bitcoin reserves, we have a very forward president right now, right? Crypto forward. Real estate assets going on online. I got an email today from this morning from a real estate investment agency in Dubai that I worked with. They are launching their own tokenized real estate thing.
And we cover that.
You covered that, so I'm already primed
Awesome.
for that anyway. I'm gonna be, I know the company, they're legit and all, but I'll probably gonna be jumping it after doing some research.
I have a final question for you, because you mentioned something very interesting, your relationship with AJ. So
AJ is awesome.
Having a
AJ
mentor,
is
how is that
awesome.
helpful? Having a mentor, what does that change? Someone you can call, someone you can talk to, what does that change for you?
I'll tell you what, it enables me to not learn technical analysis deeper because he holds my hand through everything, can go to him with anything. Well, literally, hey, what is the entry price for Tau now that we're dipping a little bit? And all I have to do is listen to him. So it's I feel like my hand is held every step of the way.
Awesome. All right.
Amazing.
Anastasia, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, for the success.
When we saw you in the chat, when Jeff was talking, we were like, oh, that's cool. Someone else on Sui. Amazing. Thank you very much for your kind words. It was very interesting. Definitely. Anastasia, it was a pleasure. It was amazing to hear your story. Thank you for your trust.
The pleasure was mine. I am grateful to you guys that you created this program. I mean, I'm completely sincere about it. Guys, I know you work very hard because the program is always, always getting better. So it's a dedication that is admirable. You're doing a good thing. You guys are going to get good karma. Lots of hair in the next lifetime as well.